morning, everyone. I just got back from a nice walk. It's September, which means it's the first day of September. I can't even blow my nose. The skin on my nose, like right here, it's so dry that it actually hurts every time I touch it. But it is the 1st of September. Happy September, everybody. Winter is over, so that's amazing. I am so excited for the warmer weather. I'm not really excited for summer, but I'm very excited for spring. The reason being because it gets very hot here in Melbourne in the summer. It can get up to like 40 or 42 degrees, so not looking forward to that, but excited regardless. Hopefully we get out of lockdown in November because I have I booked tickets to see the Van Gogh exhibition in the city. So hopefully we're out of lockdown by then because I don't want to miss this exhibition. I didn't realize when I signed up for September it means that I have to do 10,000 steps every single day. So I'm gonna really try and do that because it sounds like a fun challenge and it's for a good cause. I also got coffee from a cafe near me. This coffee is $6. So expensive, but so delicious. It is such a nice day today. It is going to be 23 degrees or 22 degrees, which means it's going to be a very nice day. So I'm really looking forward to the warmer weather today. I figured I would do a couple of days in my life, work from home edition, lockdown edition. We're still in lockdown. Our case numbers aren't that crazy compared to Sydney, but aren't that great either. Yeah, I'm tired of sitting at home all day. I want to go out. I want to go to the city. I want to go see exhibitions or to the gallery. Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Welcome to a few days in my life. It's Wednesday, 1st of September. I didn't mention. I'm supposed to do 10 steps every day, but I only did 6,800 steps today. I will try and get more steps in later after work or later this afternoon. But yeah, exciting times. Anyway, it's that I have a few things on my plate that I need to work on, and then another work day tomorrow as well as Friday. But Friday I have half day off because I'm gonna get vaccinated, and yeah, I'm very excited. My work is giving out vaccination leaves, so I am taking advantage of that, which is exciting. But anyway, I'm gonna get started on some stuff, on some work. Yeah, I will talk to you guys in a bit. I am going to go on a midday walk. So it is lunchtime. I am debating on whether I should make Japanese curry with eggs and rice or have an omelette with mushrooms and some bread. Got some rice over there on the table, but I don't know what to make. Probably have the curry instead. Little pot. Some water. probably use 3/4 of a cup to make the curry. There you go. 1 little cube of curry. Smells amazing. Eggs, super jumbo. I feel like I'm going crazy. I swear, even when I'm not home alone, anytime I hear very strange sounds, I get freaked out. So that was what that was just now. I swear I heard something. Sounded like a door opening. Oh wow. I feel like eating scrambled eggs with rice is a bit weird. I don't know, I feel like scrambled eggs are more like Western food. And rice is more Asian-y food. And then I'm going to add a bit more pepper to my eggs. And now the curry. Oh, that's beautiful. To finish it off, we're gonna put some Japanese chili flakes, I guess. And there you go. My lunch. Scrambled eggs with rice and Japanese curry. It's delicious, but I can only have the curry in like small doses because it's a bit too rich for my liking. So yeah. I am going to eat this while also watching a couple of YouTube videos, which is something I do all the time on my break. Look. I didn't add a lot of salt to the curry, to the eggs, because the curry is already quite salty. So just a tip, if you're buying this curry, the curry is already quite salty, so there's no need to put salt in your eggs. Whoops, whoops, what am I doing? Okay. The great thing about a mask is that people can't see that you have snot running down your nose. Yeah. Okay. I am being so lazy today and spending money even though I have no need to. I have food in my fridge. I can just cook something. But I ordered stuff on Deliveroo. Here's my soft shell crab bao. Oof, lovely. And I've got my rice paper rolls. Look at that. Look at the crab. Amazing. Don't mind the mess. Thank you. $4? Oh, they look good. Oh, wow. Good morning. It is Friday. Woohoo! It's 8 a.m. I am working until 11 and then I'm heading to my vaccination straight after. It's only like a 10-minute walk from my flat, so that's exciting. I want to show you guys my plant. So in the last video I said that I thought my plant, my fiddle leaf fig was dying, but it's now September. That video was filmed in July, so 2 months have passed and we have about, let's see, can you see the new leaves? They still have edema on them. Edema, I don't know how to say the word, but do you see that? Those new leaves? That's 6 new leaves. How exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I forgot cutlery. Oh my god.